Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on iPad Pro M5. Okay, to do it we need to open up the settings. Once we are here, we need to click on our Apple account that we're currently logged into. Now scroll down a little, find your iPad, simply tap on it, wait a few seconds, and now make sure that iCloud backup is enabled. Enable backup this iPad. You can also, of course, if you want, enable to backup over mobile data. It's up to you. And now to create a backup, simply hit this button, backup now. The process will start, so we need to wait a little. Currently it's loading, so we need to wait a little bit. Okay, we can see down below under backup now button that the backup has been successfully created. We can see the hour, you can compare them, so everything went fine. This backup is now of course stored in our iCloud. So for example, if you want to restore the backup later on other device, or for example after the reset, remember that you'll need to be logged into the same Apple account if you would like to restore that backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.